Begin in tabletop pose. Walk your hands forward as you bring your chest toward the floor and your hips up, chin down to the floor. This is puppy pose. Hold this for 5 deep breaths.